leave the professional avatar at home. Trying to conceal your fear, doubt, or insecurities in order to maintain a false appearance of unshakable confidence is a fast track to experiencing loneliness, because people only see a carefully crafted and unrelatable avatar, not the real you. No longer can we afford to ignore the feelings inside ourselves that make us who we really are. A better awareness of your emotions expands your capacity to recognize emotions in others, enabling you to connect with empathy. However, there is still a pervasive myth that needs overcoming. This myth stifles well-being and performance at work. The myth is that emotions don't belong at work, that workers can flip a switch and shed all the fear, joy, sorrow, hope, and loneliness as soon as they show up to work. This myth leads many to behave cold and stoic throughout their professional lives. Not only is feeling feelings part of being human, but research shows that when coworkers drop their polished professional presence, those around them experience a boost in trust, kindness, performance, and connection. Divorcing ourselves from our personal lives is not only unfortunate, it's bad for business. According to Liz Fosian, co-author of the Wall Street Journal bestseller, No Hard Feelings, The Secret Power of Embracing Emotions at Work, she says, quote, "In the moments when our colleagues drop their glossy professional presentation, we are much more likely to believe what they are telling us. We feel connected to the people around us. We try harder, perform better, and we are just generally kinder. So it's about time we learn how to embrace emotion at work." End quote. To further emphasize the benefits of embracing emotions at work, Google's study of over 180 teams called Project Aristotle found that social sensitivity is a top attribute of a high-performing team member. Social sensitivity is defined as the ability to identify, understand, and respect the feelings of others. If you can't get comfortable wading into the emotional waters, you run the risk of never fully solving the problems with your team, your leader, or your customers. Because empathy, a core pillar of emotional intelligence, is required to fully solve problems. As Bill Gates stated in his 2014 Stanford University commencement speech, quote, "If we have optimism, but we don't have empathy, then it doesn't matter how much we master the secrets of science. We're not solving problems, we're just working on puzzles." End quote. Shed the professional mask and leave your avatar at home in order to establish more meaningful relationships at work.